Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the Settings or Gmail app on the other phone. This is the practical first step. Sign in requires your email and password, so enter them carefully and watch for autofill mistakes. Once done, expect a Google prompt or verification code on your original device. Do not ignore it. Make sure sync and notifications are enabled after signing in so mail appears. If you use two-step verification, be ready with your secondary device or backup codes. After entering credentials, you'll confirm your identity through the chosen verification method. Accept the prompt or enter the SMS/authenticator code. Once authenticated, go to Account Settings to pick what to sync. Mail, contacts, calendar, and drive are typical. Make sure sync frequency suits you and background data is allowed. Then review device permissions and active sessions under Security. This ensures you're not leaving unexpected access. If you use app-specific passwords, complete setup by opening Gmail, letting initial sync finish, then send a test message to confirm both send and receive work. If mail won't sync, sign out from the account on that phone and sign back in. This often clears token errors. Make sure date/time is automatic and background data isn't restricted. One key troubleshooting tip: if verification stalls, use backup codes or your recovery email to regain access rather than repeated attempts that trigger temporary locks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.